Good morning, teacher. Good morning, classmates. The motivational phrase: with effort and perseverance, you can achieve your goals. The personal information: name, Evelyn Natalie; last name, Tipanguano Sandoval; identity 0504083221; date of birth 10 January 1999; age 22 years old; residence Salcedo; cell 0984988770. The telephone manners. Definition: it age call for whatever purpose it is advisable to maintain good manners if you want to project a good professional image. The manners pose in case the customer wants to add something else. Always use an appropriate situation. Use your spontaneity in age greeting. Respond quickly. Use phrases such as "Good morning," "When I can you help," among others. Always speak in a clear and calm voice. Thank the customer for contacting your service. Use vocabulary the client can understand. Examples: manners. Pardon, how can I help you? You are welcome. Happy to help. No problem. My pleasure. Kids to modal verbs. My name is Walter. My inhabit adult. Bibliography. Thank you so much. The video.